everyone, today we'll test more weird kitchen items, but this time all of them are from Shein. We have 6 items to test, and the first item is this cactus ice cube tray. Now the reason I picked this up is कि मुझे लगा कि हम edible cactus बना सकते हैं कीवी के जूस के साथ. Let's see if it's functional or just a gimmick. इसके लिए we have chopped kiwis with us right here, and we're gonna blend them in the blender and then fill this ice cube tray with kiwi.
Gets a big thumbs up.
Okay, so the second item is my most exciting item for this video. It's this piano shaped fruit fork. When you keep this standing, it should look like a real piano, but then uske keys निकलते हैं and they become like a fruit fork. So I'm very interested to see if it works क्योंकि ये kitchen में decor piece भी लगेगा and functional भी है. It looks promising so far, and I think these are the forks. So let's make the stand. Impressive! This is what the fork looks like. आगे से it's a normal fruit fork and it's actually comfortable to hold. छोटू नहीं है इतना. Starting के लिए there's a flat piece right here. It is looking so good when it's coming together. ये कम क्यों लग रहा है? We have a missing piece. So I'm really upset कि एक ही missing है क्योंकि otherwise this was looking so good. मन में I'm like जाने दो क्या, but नहीं यार वो एक ही missing ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक दांत missing है. This did work. Imagine you want to eat fruits and you're like, oh I'll just go and get my fancy piano and then you pull out a key like this. No one will see this coming. It's also a good option for a party because there are a lot of forks for a lot of people. This third item is for all of us lazy people out there because this is supposed to be a phone stand right here and a snack tray. It's time to test the lazy bug. I had a little play on the words ladybug ko lazy bug kar diya. Picked up 2 snacks for this, some dry fruits. And this will give you an idea कि इसमें कितनी सारी जगह है because these are a lot of dry fruits. Still this is filled only 20% of one container. And to test a slightly bigger snack, I have these multi-grain crackers. Oh, and they fit. These are huge. I think these are bigger than any biscuit that you would find and they still fit. Yay! And now let's place our phone. It does hold well. Phone नहीं गिर रहा है. I've tilted the dish quite a bit because खाते वक्त प्लेट इधर उधर करने की आदत तो हम सबको है. So इसका और इसका साइज सेम है, बस ये थोड़ा पतला है. तो देखते हैं कि पतला होने की वजह से ये इधर उधर स्लाइड होता है कि नहीं. It did slide. So I guess you'll probably have to invest in a thick cover if you want to use this dish regularly, or else you'll have to sit in one place and you'll have to keep this on a table. But I think this is a good option. Like imagine ऐसे टेबल के ऊपर मस्त से पैर रख के बैठ गए and you're relaxing while watching a show. This is very convenient, to be honest, and I do see myself using this. So the Lazy Bug gets a thumbs up. Now the fourth item is my desperate attempt to have healthy noodles. I've tried a couple of noodle makers from other websites in the past and they failed miserably. So this time I have bought something which looks a little more promising. Box baby photos are quite promising. So I present to you our latest technology wala zucchini noodle maker. Looks sturdy. They have a recipe for pasta here, but they don't have instructions. So after pulling with a lot of strength, this finally did come out, but be careful. it open. That was not tough. मस्त लग रहा है ऐसे एकदम वो लेंस जैसा. Will it stay? This is the best it will get. If I ruin this table, मुझे घर से बाहर निकाला जाएगा आज. So I better not spill anything. That was convenient. Okay, the snail works. It works very efficiently. And now we have bottle iced tea, जो 10 रुपए का है, but हम इसको 100 रुपए में बेच सकते हैं क्योंकि ये कांच के बॉटल में है. So the funnel worked. This also gets a thumbs up. So this was us trying weird kitchen items. I think we'll make a couple more parts for this because it's really exciting to try new products. यार अगर चला तो best ही है. Kitchen में कुछ spice up हो जाएगा. But नहीं चला तो भी like that persistence is very much fun. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then that makes me very happy. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, goodbye.